how to record FaceTime with audio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you're looking to learn how to record FaceTime calls with audio, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive right in. First things first, what you need to do is you'll need to enable the microphone while recording. For that, you'll need to swipe down from the top right, and here you'll find a screen recording option that is toggled on right now with a circle with a dot. Just tap on it, long press on it, and there you can see microphone on. So if your microphone is off, then you just have to tap on it to toggle it on like this. It's as simple as that. So in this way, you can toggle on the microphone and then it will record your FaceTime with audio. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.